EcoSmart tankless water heaters provide efficient, on-demand hot water, but like any appliance, they require regular maintenance to perform at their best. These systems heat water only when needed, eliminating standby heat loss and providing up to 99.8% efficiency. They can save up to 50% on energy bills while taking up minimal space. Inside your tankless water heater, cold water flows through a heat exchanger where it's instantly heated to your desired temperature. This process works efficiently when the system is properly maintained. However, without regular maintenance, mineral deposits accumulate in the heat exchanger. This buildup restricts water flow, reduces efficiency, causes temperature fluctuations, and can eventually lead to costly system failures. Regular maintenance keeps your EcoSmart system running at peak efficiency, extends its lifespan, ensures reliable performance, and saves money by preventing costly repairs and maintaining energy efficiency. Most EcoSmart units need maintenance every 6 to 12 months, depending on your water hardness. Annual professional inspections are also recommended to ensure optimal performance and catch potential issues early. Regular descaling is the most critical maintenance task for your EcoSmart tankless water heater. This process removes harmful mineral buildup that reduces efficiency and shortens lifespan. Here's why descaling is so important. Mineral deposits like calcium and magnesium build up inside pipes and heat exchangers, creating thick blockages that restrict water flow and force your heater to work harder. Regular filter maintenance is equally important. Your EcoSmart has both water inlet filters and air intake filters that need cleaning to maintain proper flow and prevent system strain. If you live in a hard water area, installing a water softener can dramatically reduce maintenance needs. Soft water prevents mineral buildup, extending your heater's life and maintaining peak efficiency. Proper temperature settings and error code monitoring are crucial for efficiency. Keep your water temperature at or below 120 degrees Fahrenheit to slow scale formation and reduce energy consumption. Don't forget about your flow sensor. This critical component detects water demand and signals the heater to start. Regular cleaning ensures accurate flow detection and consistent water temperature. Schedule annual professional maintenance for thorough inspection and cleaning. Following these maintenance tips can maximize your EcoSmart's efficiency and lifespan, potentially saving up to 50% on your energy bills while ensuring reliable hot water for years to come.